All right, welcome back. This is something I caught on YouTube. I caught this on YouTube quite by chance. This is from somebody called Techno Porg. A great name. All right, this gentleman is a college student. So basically, what this tool attempts to do now, again, this is new, so this will probably have some bugs. But what he attempts to do, it appears to make it easier for you to transition from Windows 10 to Linux, in this case, Ubuntu, and only Ubuntu as far as I could tell. So what this does, this takes your Windows 10 files and swaps it over, or I guess somehow it just migrates it to and translates to into a Linux desktop setup. Again, only with Ubuntu. Now, from what I saw with this is still new. It's probably going to have some bugs, and everything is probably not going to work. But just the idea of this, of the possibility of this, to take a Windows 10 install and automatically, transcode it into a Linux desktop, keeping all your files, is pretty amazing when you think about this. Now, this thing is called Opera Ease or Operies. Operies. I will have a link for this below in the show notes. So it's basically giving your computer a new start, something fresh install of Linux, and keeping your Windows files. I think that's amazing. So as I said, this is still new. Yes, you can buy 1-year security support. I believe it's for $30, and maybe there's a free way of doing that. I don't know. There is a way to install Windows 11 on unsupported PCs. I've done that 3 times. It's possible. How long will that work? I don't know, to be quite honest. But this is just another tool to make life easier for Windows users who don't want to install anything. They just want to move from one computer to another. Now, you can certainly try Linux Mint and others, or you can just buy a Chromebook and try that. But this is called Operies. I will have a link for this below in the show notes, and you can look at the whole video and judge for yourself. But this shows some promise for Linux newbies who just want an easier way to switch from Windows 10 to Linux and keep all of your files. What do you guys think about all this? I think if this can really work without any bugs, I think this is fantastic.